Hello friends, I welcome you again to yet another video where I will share another next open example and also I will share the technicalities of that example. You can see on my screen it's a simple model with few sketches and few features. When you write any NX open program, that time the important thing is how you effectively and efficiently access the different objects into your NX. It could be sketches, it could be features, it could be any other type of objects. Whether you able to fetch them effectively and also able to use them how you wanted to use it. Because when you develop any NX Open program, most of the times you are working on the custom requirements, and that's how you end up creating a custom solution for that. And every solution is different. Every solution, how they access the objects, different objects into your part model or assembly or drawing anything, and how you use them into your program, that differs project to project, program to program. And that's why it is important how you access them, and how you use them. So what we are going to see in this example is we are going to see how you can fetch the sketches and the different features which are available into your part. So let's try to use this journal. This is a very simple journal to see. If I show you the journal editor, it's very simple and few lines of codes only. Let's try to play this and run this uh, run this journal. I have run this journal and you can see this is what it has reported. So what it has reported the several features, the sketch and features that I have into my model. So you can see sketch collection. A sketch collection contains sketch 000, 001, and again 002, 003. Okay, and it has reported some information about the sketches. Is it internal? Is it drafting sketch? Is it browsable sketch? So false means it's not an internal sketch. Is drafting sketch? It is false. It is also not a drafting sketch. Is it browsable? It's browsable. Okay, you can also see 001, 002 are there. There are two more sketches 002 and 003 which are not browsable. You can see they are marked as false. It means they are not browsable kind of sketches. So you can even see some extra information, extra features which are not, you can see, which you cannot see on the part navigator. And the same details are there for feature collection. Okay, so datum 0, datum coordinate system 0, 1, 2. Then these are again a feature. Sketch is also the feature, also can be classified as a feature. That's why it is listed here as well. So extrude 3, extrude 4, datum coordinate system 4, datum coordinate system 5. Lot of things are uh, mentioned here. So this is how you can. This is the power of automation, I can say. You can even retrieve the information which you cannot easily see through your eyes into your NX screen. So this is what you can get out of the accessing the features and sketches from the program, from the journal like this. Now let's have a look at the journal itself quickly. In this journal, what I have used echo to present all this information in a window. In this journal, I have not just used NXOpen but also used nxopen.uf. UF stands for user function, if you are not aware about it. And then there are two loops inside the sub main function. The first loop is for the sketches, which fetches the uh, sketches from work part using work.sketches. And then the whatever code written in this for loop inside, it reports all the information of the sketches, or the same information that we can see in a information window. And there is a similar for loop which works on the features. So work dot features, it fetches all the features from the work part and it reports using the echo the same information that we have reported for sketches. It's very simple. Two different loops are reporting different information, and this is how it works. So it is loop is written to say that everything which is there to access is reported in one by one uh, in a tabular format one by one. So this is how this journal works, and this is the information that is used to code in this journal itself. So that's it in this journal. But one question to you, if you are watching this at this till this particular point, what triggers what use you can see of this particular journal into your work. If you see this can be a useful kind of journal into your work, please comment in the comment box, and I am going to uh, start a conversation with you. I am going to understand what exactly you are looking for, and maybe I will write a solution video for the thing that you are looking for. So please be comment in the comment section. That's it. We are at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Good luck.